cheering, celebrations, jubilation. A grateful nation saluting its heroes, the daredevil commandos of the National Security Guard. The brave men who put their lives at risk to save others. Battle zone Nariman House. Terrorists holed up inside, armed with state-of-the-art weapons, holding hostages. The National Security Guards had to plan their moves meticulously, carefully. At 7:30 on Friday morning, the NSG launched its final assault. NSG commandos were airdropped on the roof of the building. Snipers took positions on the roof, others moved inside. Their plan, the top-down approach to flush out the terrorists. The gun battle lasted almost the entire day. Rounds were fired, grenade after grenade hurled. One Havaldar injured, but the commandos kept moving. And then, 22 explosions later, the NSG emerged victorious. Operation Black Tornado was a success.
वहाँ से बिल्कुल डरे नहीं, वहाँ से पीछे हटे नहीं और एक जो रास्ता वहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकते थे, उसके लिए वो पूरे आगे बढ़ते रहे.
Similar scenes at the Oberoi Hotel. Terrorists gunned down, hostages rescued. Another success. But the success came at a terrible cost. The deaths of many of our brave hearts. Martyrs who died fighting the enemy. Major Unni Krishnan's father is a proud man today. Proud that his son laid down his life for the country. 28-year-old Major Sandeep Unni Krishnan was killed by the terrorist bullets. Major Unni Krishnan was part of the Taj Hotel commando team and died while trying to save the life of a fellow officer.
One of the constables was injured and then he turned back to save him. By the time the terrorist was just escaping. And just to follow that person and not to leave him, he just went behind him and then the terrorist turned back and then fired.
उन्होंने बहुत बहादुरी दिखाई है. उनकी जो सैक्रिफाइस है बहुत सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस है. उन्होंने अकेले उनका जम के मुकाबला किया. हमारी टीम जो अगर ऊपर आती तो उनकी और कैजुअल्टी हो सकती थी. उनको आने नहीं दिया उन्होंने. उन्हें जोर से बोला और वहीं पे उन लोगों को उनकी फिर गोली लग गई.
Major Unni Krishnan was not the only one. The NSG lost another. A Havaldar was killed during the assault on Nariman House. The bravery and sacrifice of these NSG commandos can never be forgotten. Headlines Today joins the nation in saluting these men of honor. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Well, men of honor, they indeed are extraordinary gentlemen, every one of them who died for the sake of the nation. We'll be taking you to the funerals of some of them across in just a moment. But first, these are the headlines that we're tracking right now. The Battle of the Taj is over. The focus now shifts on search and sanitization operations. Ratan Tata pays a visit. Explosives were placed under the bodies of hostages at Nariman House. More than a dozen bombs have been defused so far. India pays homage to its heroes, the last rites of Hemant Karkare in Mumbai and Major Unni Krishnan in Bangalore. Despite India's tough stance, Pakistan makes a U-turn. It will now send a representative instead of the ISI chief himself. And Delhi goes to polls in the backdrop of one of India's worst ever terror strikes. Well, even as the Taj has been reclaimed, even as the siege for